Question 3 then. Well, yes, two numbers are multiplied together. 4 times 3 equals 12. So that's the example, which I think is okay. Now, what are we going to have to do here? 4 times something equals 24. Well, we know that 4 times 6 is 24. So there's definitely going to be a 6 in here. And then 6 times something equals 75. Well, the way to find out what that something is for this box here is to say what's 75 divided by 6, or 75 over 6. Let's work that out. You can use long division here. The way I would think about it is 75 divided by 3 is 25. So 75 divided by 6 will be 12.5. And then we need to multiply 75 by 24 to find the number in the top box. A little bit of long multiplication. 75 times 24. I mean, 2 5s are 10, carry 1. 2 7s are 14, that's 15. 4 5s are 20, carry 2. 4 7s are 28, that's 30. Okay, we've got to add those two together. So 1500 plus 300 equals 1800. And that should go in there.